Can you say purple with me? Purple, purple. Another incredible creature is the purple emperor butterfly. The male has a stunning purple sheen on its wings that you can only see when the light hits it just right. And what about birds? The violet-backed starling is a bird from Africa with a breathtaking, glossy purple back. Purple is such a special color. Grapes can be purple, and so can eggplants. Great job. Now for a zesty and fun color. It's orange. Orange is bright and full of energy, just like the fruit it's named after. Our first orange animal is a powerful and striped cat. It's the tiger. Tigers have beautiful orange coats with black stripes that help them hide in the tall grass. Let's say orange together. Orange, orange. Swimming in a bowl or a pond, we have the goldfish. Goldfish are often a shiny, bright orange color and are popular pets. Another orange friend is the clever fox. Red foxes often have a coat that looks very orange. They are known for being quick and smart. And we can't forget the tiny but beautiful monarch butterfly. They have orange wings with black lines and white dots, and they fly thousands of miles every year. Orange is a happy color, just like carrots, pumpkins, and of course, oranges. Let's slow things down with a strong and earthy color. It's brown. Brown is the color of the earth, tree trunks, and delicious chocolate. It's the black panther. A panther is actually a leopard or a jaguar with black fur. They are powerful hunters of the night. Let's say black, BLA6, black. High in the sky, we can see a crow. Crows are very intelligent birds that are completely black. And let's not forget the gentle giant of the fields, the black horse. A horse with a pure black coat is truly a beautiful sight. Black is a color of night and shadows. And the opposite of black is white. White is the color of snow, clouds, and fresh milk. Our first white animal lives in the cold, snowy Arctic. It's the polar bear. Their thick white fur helps them stay warm and blend in with the snow. Can you say white? WHITE, white. Another beautiful white bird is the swan. Swans glide gracefully on the water and are known for their long, curved necks. And hopping around in the snow, we have the little white bunny rabbit. Their white fur helps them hide from predators in winter. White is a pure and clean color. Sheep have white wool, and a dove is a symbol of peace and is also white. Wow, what an incredible journey through the world of colors and animals. We learned about red macaws, yellow chicks, blue whales, green frogs, pink flamingos, purple sea stars, orange tigers, brown bears, black panthers, and white polar bears. You did an amazing job learning all 10 colors. Remember, the world is full of beautiful colors, and now you can spot them everywhere you go. Thank you so much for joining me today, my little explorers. I had so much fun with you. Keep looking for colors and amazing animals all around you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun learning adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.